All right, everybody, we're back in our Chōwa Concept Home, and we are interviewing Anthony Antolino, who is the Chief Commercial Officer for Delos. They have a lot of their products in this home, and we're really excited to hear how it works in our home. So I wanted to ask Anthony what specifically the involvement of Delos is in this Chōwa Concept Home project.
Sure. Well, first and foremost, thank you for the invitation from Hanley Wood and Woodside Homes to participate in such an innovative project. So Delos has a home wellness intelligence platform and product called Darwin. And Darwin is all about taking the environment where we are living, our homes, and using it as a mechanism to help us improve our health and well-being. And we do that by eliminating the harmful contaminants that can exist inside of a home, like poor air quality, poor water quality. We focus on lighting and human-centric lighting and using lighting in a way that can do things like help us improve our sleep-wake cycles and improve our hormone balance and improve our cognitive function and just overall better quality of life, better sleep.
That's excellent. Can you talk about how this sort of product line and how it's working in this Chōwa Concept Home, how it might influence future home building in America?
Absolutely. So I think what's great about the Chōwa house and just the innovation that's going into it, it really opens up people's eyes as to what is possible. Now, a lot of the technology in here is not innovative in the context that it's future technology. For Delos, everything that's in this home is available and shippable and saleable and installable right now. And I think that's really interesting and unique. And if you think about the macro trend of wellness, consumers and home buyers are recognizing that their homes can either have a positive effect or a negative effect on their health outcomes. And so with our solutions, we're able to passively help the homeowners live a better, healthier quality of life simply by living in the homes the same way they would have without our solutions in them. And I think as more and more innovation comes forward, more and more energy savings, more and more environmental sustainability comes forward and has been focused on in the home building arena, wellness in the home building arena is the next mega trend that home builders are focusing on. And I think our participation in the Chōwa House is a really good exclamation on that point. And I think that's an important takeaway for homeowners and for home builders largely.
That's excellent. It's an exciting advancement.
It really
for
is.
Home building.
It really is.
What's your overall perception of this Chōwa Concept Home project?
I mean, just look at it, right? It's really absolutely beautiful out here in Summerlin. It's a spectacular home. I think the sheer fact that this was built off-site and shipped in is quite an engineering marvel. And I think then how all of the participants in the home and all of the technology companies that have contributed have come together to really do the functional integration to make this house something that is not only a home of the future, but is something that somebody will buy after the show and get to enjoy with themselves and with their family. So it's really exciting.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for coming to Las Vegas and spending time with us in the Chōwa Concept Home, and I look forward to visiting with you later.
Thanks for having me. It's been fun. Thank you.
Thank you.